Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Arduino R4 lessons and we're up to lesson number 22. I've already done a video for this, and that's the program for it, and it's all very simple. All you're doing is controlling a servo with a potentiometer, and this got me thinking about other things you could do like this. So I've already made a video called Using Python to Control an Arduino. Now you may or may not have watched it. What it does is you're using firmata, and you just download standard firmata, upload it onto your Arduino, and then your Arduino will just sit there waiting for input. And I go into all this a lot more in my video, but just this summary. So then you go into, well, I'm using Thonny, and you can use other languages, but I'm using Python, so I'm on Python 3.10, I believe here, and you write a program, and you're communicating with the Arduino. You don't need to upload all the time to your Arduino, and you can even do things in the command line in a shell, but I've covered all of that. So I just wanted to show you what you can do with this. So I'm using Potentiometer, and all this I've covered in my video on this, but you're just setting it up for the right port that your Arduino is plugged into, and then you're setting the servo to say it's a digital pin 3 and servo, and then you just set up, I'm not very good at Potentiometer, but you just set that up and it will make a nice little slider, and you can control your Arduino with it. So we will, there's my servo. I will run this. It will move a couple of times as the program is thinking about it. Right, now this is where the program starts. It's got this lovely little window that's called servo control and angle, and it's slider. So it moves the servo as you move your slider, which I think is pretty good. So that's my program.